Hello and welcome to a Magic Spanners video. This morning my engine management light came on while I was driving back from Droitwich, and I plugged in my computer and it gave me the code P0106. Now to fix this code there are two things you can do, and the tools you'll need are a 10mm socket, a tiny little Allen key, as small as you can get, posi drive screwdriver and some EGR cleaner. And the first thing we're going to do is take a look at the mass airflow sensor. The mass airflow sensor is located above the air filter and box, and here it is. Here you just need a posi drive screwdriver just to undo these two screws like so. Pull it out and give it a good clean and let it dry out before you put it back in. That's also very important. Give it a spray with that cleaner. So I'm just gonna get this off and out, put these somewhere safe so I don't lose them. And this is a mass airflow sensor that we're checking out at the moment. And there we go. There it is there. You just want to spray that nipple there and get all the carbon off it as much as you can. There we go, it's quite dusty, so that can give a false reading. That's what we're going to do, so I'll take it off and do that. There you go, I've just sprayed that with the EGR cleaner and you can see, and then get it in focus, it's a lot cleaner now. So all I've done is just use that nozzle that comes with the can, sprayed all the carbon off it, and then gone over with a tissue and just cleaned that up. That's the air mass flow sensor cleared up. So let that air dry, and while that's drying I'll show you the other thing I'll do to get this air code removed. So if you come to the near side of the vehicle, just behind the fuel pump, you'll see the map sensors here with a hose that goes down to a 10mm nut here, and then it goes up into the EGR manifold, and this hose often gets blocked up with carbon. So all I'm going to do is remove the hose and just push something through the pipes to unblock any carbon that's in there, and then refit it back on. So the only thing the top bit will just pull off like so, like that, and the bottom bit does pull off from the manifold as well. And then all we gotta do is get a socket on there and remove that 10mm side nut there, and the whole thing will come away, and you give it a clean out. So these are all the pipes taken apart, and all I've done is spray them with the EGR cleaner, cleared them out because they were blocked up, and now I'll just let them air dry for a bit and then put them back on the cart. The mass airflow sensor has been dried now, so that's ready to put back in the cart. So you just pop it back down, put the screws back in, and then connect it back up, and that's that done. Them other pipes are still air drying at the minute. Doing all this one-handed is a bit tricky, but you will save yourself. I've got a code reader myself, so I can reset the code myself, but this is what I've always found to be the usual culprits on this vehicle. Just do these quick cleans and reset the code, and you'll be alright again till it clogs up again, because that is the downside to these diesels, unfortunately. That's the mass airflow sensor back on, and plug it in like that. Just going to get them pipes together now and put them back on the cart. So that's the pipe reassembled. Just going to show you where it's got to go. So it's got to go to the bottom of here. The nut goes back into there, and I don't know if you can see, it's there. And the other pipe goes onto that nipple there. And zoom in. There we go. I have pushed that little Allen key into there and removed a bit of soot. There was a bit of resistance, so that is now clear as well. There you go. Oh, hang on. The pipe's back on, back in there and back into the manifold. And the last thing to do is just to remove the code. There we go. And then take it for a test drive, and it should not come back on again. And there we go, she's running again beautifully, and the light's gone off because I reset it. So there you go, clean them air mass flow sensor out, and then put that pipe I showed you on the side, which clog up with carbon, and it should be running again all fine after that. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps somebody. Thank you.